Remix the Citizen. Call me the prodigal son. I wo wo arabo. O we no ruawe. Then no ruawe. Ruawe no even never joy. Do mozo no boy ma to akonse. O imo mozo ba mozo. Na ya make sure we okunye there. Precious.com. If you are still there, sit back and listen to Precious. Usanya there. I don't know how your guy go feel if you say more shake like this. Chop no go. When we erave akabama, na asubo. E mo bube wo bon moye ma. Imoye ba. Abi wa moye we. We ma mara me we si. Moye ba. Imoye man. Akimo you still collect one advantage from you once and for all. May you rest now. The one with this gorilla they carry, you know correct why they give up for you. Ni enjoy me enjoy. Afa. Awe ologbo e vi oviesun. Ologbo e vi vesun. Uwa e ologbo vie. And I believe una ga menwara omone no hori ave kwe even igbe mi le ko. Mi ku yinwina tafion voyowa. We decided to come. Yes. And what doing is what doing well.
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create funniest times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081-79-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
Akin Demi work meki. Ayala weki. Osuna. Wa gbera usi Precious usanyade. Wa gbera ge go Precious usanyade. Wa gbera ge awogba Precious usanyade. We are doing
I mean, a grace is not now. As most times people they pray, if people they use strength, you just they pray make grace speak for you. Because if grace they speak for person, even if the rest people they speak, they be noise makers. So now so it does be. I believe say now waiting God already ordained now.
Okay, talking about grace, does it have anything to do with the grace you and I know, or you get other grace? You know, when you say me, they speak of.
No, the grace you and I know. Grace where everybody know, like
okay,
grace.
How you think know the grace when me know?
No. No, I will say maybe not the grace where I know now you know.
Okay, which grace you believe say I know?
Now the grace of God. I'm of us now.
Where they Bomeka?
Yeah, bad.
Where did me view on Milan here?
On Milan, better. It's good now, but okay. The grace of God.
Okay, now Precious, you are everywhere. You know, here and there. Even before a lot of people, you know, as an Instagram, you know, 70% of the job you did, you know, na Instagram, you know, job, you know, understand? Do Facebook. Normally, I know say me you still they do movies, you know, understand? When we say me lately they you know upload well on YouTube. So how do you feel about that? How do you feel about the fact that you are everywhere? Was that your plan from the beginning?
Like when I started my
and before dream, you go, this one a Benin program.
Okay.
And 60% of your, you know, your language should be in Benin.
Yes.
I who am a fear be. You know understand? So I wanna yana zeke dolo. So we are good to go.
If you do why I was say, like my dream was to go there, tell people you are ready for it. Because normally, in my head, I mean Benin film with mind. Okay. Until I met Osaro Uyigwe Santos.
Okay.
Because Otota his store is like in your shoot with women. Okay. So he told me him with this store. So in our go he was like, you have talent in you.
How you think investigate the fact say you get talent? You
me and person they talk like I they talk to customer. Okay. So me and customer come talk was like, you get talent. I said, I don't understand. He say he go want me carry me enter industry.
Long.
I say industry, which industry? Because normally
you can the reason whether na shower industries. No. I forgot what. But you never even care to investigate the kind of industry he was introducing you into.
No, I investigated. Like before I started showing on the camera, I was always behind the scene.
Okay. With him?
Yes, other locations. I feel just go location. Are they back of camera? They see the way people they do. Like Iman Hamion.
Okay.
I know Iman Hamion. I ready for as in I train myself. Like maybe most of the times before I even come day like this now where God don't carry me reach. If I dey location, say after the end of the location, if they throw away scripts, I'll pick the script. If the area where areas.
Okay.
Cause we do loud, not the way and really I just started like it never even reached 4 years where I don't enter industry. And people come they see the beauty in it. Like people they like and come say, God, I've been at this one you call me for. Okay. So I just say I should make my fans proud. My no push shame.
Okay. When Osaro Uyigwe Santos approached you easily accepted or you make him understand say me I fair go home.
Like
me I go think am. Or instanta simply because of waiting you don't dey desperate to join. No. Then you just join him immediately.
When he approached me, we never exchanged contact.
Okay.
He say if it come from my mind, see his Facebook username, may I add them up. So after some months, come go add them for Facebook.
After some months,
yeah.
Not weeks.
No, months.
Meaning you were not desperate.
No, I have to talk to my mom about it because the one we senior me direct, Gina Osayande, now she really did desperate to enter
about the
film.
Movie. Okay.
So she not get that opportunity before she come on.
Okay.
Like before she come on for Nigeria, she not see the opportunity.
Okay.
Just saying. So I talked to her about it. She was like, "It's fine, I like it." So I called Basaro. It even take like months before he reply me.
Okay.
So he can't reply. He say, "Okay, the girl. Okay, are you ready now?" I was like, "Okay, no wahala." So from there, they call me for jobs. If we do film, because before I meet Basaro, Joy Ovi Zogie.
Okay.
And I think Binidu.
Okay.
They don't already deal with Brasaro. Like they senior me for industry and they senior me for age.
Okay.
We are not age mates. So.
Okay. Okay, they senior you for age.
Yeah.
And you confirmed that?
Yeah, I confirmed it. They senior me for age and they senior me for industry. So now they come me there from there. They brought me along.
All right, people, the citizen call me the prodigal son. We appreciate those of una when we say una subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Gorilla TV.
We appreciate those of una when they support us. We appreciate those of una when we say me una they stand, they sit down, they relax, they wait for anything when we say me we want release.
For this experience, I see aka Nyamblaze, aka Zebulisa. If you are watching the platform, don't touch it there and don't forget to subscribe to their YouTube channel.
Hey yo people, here Donuzomo, what? This is the platform.
Say the prayer when I want to pray for now, I never still see him. I never still see the right word when we say I go use. But I believe where twice say you talk. If I just dey waka, if I dey drive, anything wey be say I dey do, na your prayer, na it be for una.
Hello people, it's your girl Shante Smith Awehoi, and you're watching the platform from Gorilla TV.
So abeg, if you never subscribe, go and subscribe to Gorilla TV and always learn how to watch, comment and share, most especially, so that your friends or friends will always be seeing.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
Alright, still on it, still with your own boy, the citizen. Call me the prodigal son, still with your personal person, the comedian. When we say they make you they laugh for the season, when we say they make you they laugh, they forget your sorrow, they forget the message. When we say man, they send you. I wish you win so yeah. That is the main reason why we are with Precious Osayande. So Precious, these days, your matter don't they go viral, and at the same time Yeah, where Oma Zayine Kirikirodo Azesimi Teme. I don't know if you understand me.
Yeah.
Oma Zayine Kirikiri Odo Azesimi Teme. And these days they said even when we they appreciate the fact, say okay, at least right now somebody just came up. A female to the call. You don't they be like say the waka, they go, but nana, another thing called that bowling. Nana ya we working, ya wa we no zero ke, uwa moye. A we no zira me, uwo koye. People will call you for production. You know go tell them say you know they come. That day go reach, they will call you. You will switch off your phone. So how true is that?
No.
On behalf of the fact that they see you for productions here and there, but how true is the fact that you don't disappoint people anyhow? So is it that we make mistake, or should I say, okay, let's say my fellow producers, they make mistake when they say, okay, right now I'm going to project this guy. No, you don't. They make many of them. They regret now. Why they even notice this kind of person?
No, nothing like that. Because you know why?
Because what I'm trying to say here, where what do you even saga no more that? I will no more go bona. I will no more here. I more go bona. I will no more here. I more go bona.
My kind of person be say, he get one Mogo Park music while listen to.
Okay.
He say, no ko hi munyevi ku.
Okay.
Ye na tamoko ni nyeme ku never dere.
Okay.
Ona ya ta here wete Mogo Park ito iwa yo here. O megi nye ma oni yemu ku fa dere.
Okay.
That's my kind of person. I know if he say because say I know if he say I don't arrive because I know where my mates dey and I know where I'm going to. Okay. So I never arrive. I just dey come. Okay. I know if he carry two locations the same time. Okay. Why? Because maybe person like Akoberian, person like Degboe of Young. Okay. Love it. Okay, you should just imagine say I can't date another person location. Those stars go come they wait for me for another location. It is so I dey always dey tell them say I don't already get job. Okay. So I know fit come your location. That's just it. I know they carry two locations the same time. Okay. No, I know fit. And that aspect where they say my phone, they always they switch stuff. Okay. Now like I know fit off my phone. Unless as I travel before you call me. Okay. Maybe normally network not they there. Okay. Unless you just get one particular person where you want call, you go look for network. Okay. You call the person. So now so it just be. I tell you say they go location, can't go location. My number not come they go again. Okay. As far as I tell you say
when you said a word way, you know where me anagwala way. Yeah. Between you and I know what you mean. Because when I called you, you say you there word way. But I believe audience out there if you don't understand what you use on me. So when you say a word way, does it mean that now where you they stay or be you just the location there this moment?
No, like everywhere.
Okay. Everywhere.
Everywhere. Okay. Normally we they shoot for everywhere. Okay. Amufi, okay. Like most of the villages, Ulegun, okay. Uhiri, okay. All those villages they always they go shoot. Okay. But that everywhere in particular, networks not they always there. Okay. Networks not they always dey everywhere and they hard to say you want to call person. Okay. You know if you see network. And most times when they go they call you the number no they go. That when they call me, now they just they assume. Okay. Like I know if you say I too good or maybe if they give me the role, I feel do well. I can't play and pass any other person. Okay. Because yeah, well, no one now when I guy me one not doing here. Me believe you get guy in my say me being here. Okay. But my way assume position where yeah. Duplicate or no soy. Okay now. Okay. So that's just it. All those way that they say I dey off my phone, no, nothing like that. Okay. I don't feel off my phone. I dey always they tell them, say I don't see chance. This time though they say okay, may I still give you time. Okay. May I still give you time? Maybe you'll see chance. I'll still tell them say I don't see chance this very day way you they talk. I don't already get job. Sometimes I need to create time for myself. Okay. Like this village location where I go now, I'll need like 2 days to take rest because of all those sunflower and everything. So I'll tell them, say, I know station, they'll say, I'll still give you time. I'll give you time. So all those time, before that location come, they had already traveled. My number not come, they go now. Wait till they talk with her. Not be say. Okay.
Meanwhile, what you are telling us systematically where
and I apologize
and you didn't plan for it.
No, I didn't plan for
because
it.
Because when
yes.
You see this set of producers so more talk the truth. Irrespective of who don't they work out far I will never come more from the dead from where he did. You see that circle of producers. If I told my career,
That's true.
Producer go my career. So a producer now do automatically here do one or you know here do there's one word we normally use. I want money here do so there's a tendency for every producer to come together.
No,
I don't
like
do a meeting your own.
No.
So even the people you call your own, and they can man when you don't get choice. With this same person, Alpha, you want deprived from the the subject matter. Himself, he has no choice than to concur. Because in we run no reve goma. Yeah, coco. And on in bolo for our. So now Precious, when you are on stage, or should I say when you are on set, you are very funny. And you have this unique, way of attitude where you they exhibit to the audience. Ore. I don't know. It does not matter. But the most important thing is uno deliver. You understand? So all those things, where did they inspire you? Where did they motivate you when we are set here?
No, when can that Nigeria worry for us.
I
swear.
Okay.
No.
All right. So where did they inspire you? Where did they motivate you?
Like, say some actresses they like I don't still go other location. I still they go locations like I still they go like I'll still they go.
Yeah.
Some people they say they scared of camera.
Okay.
If you just carry camera face them,
yeah.
Some just they cry.
Okay.
Some just lose control. I always they say camera na my first love. Like I
you
see
very
beauty
close.
in it.
Okay. When looking at it.
Yes, I see beauty in it, and any role where they give me, I always they try to fit in. I just say, God, if this role, if not truly me for real life, I'll feel. So if I just think that one, I don't flow with.
You just subject yourself to that character.
I just take on like real life because each story where we the Beninese they write na person story.
Lifestyle,
like it don't happen to person.
Yeah.
So you have to play it like person where go wash and go say no. This is my story. So I just
Okay. Now most should I say 65% or 70% of what you do outside the Benin movie, when they do Instagram matter and why am I Facebook? You don't understand? I believe where you go wire record there. I be why your phone record the why edited if only why edited.
No.
So why moon editor?
Yes.
Okay.
For the movie aspect.
Okay.
I know,
yeah, movie basically. This skit I'm talking about.
No, I've not produced it. I'm not producing.
No, I'm not saying
the skit.
This skit I'm talking about.
Like I shoot skit. I always rent camera. Like I never get camera.
Okay, not be phone. I take the shooter.
No, I know they use phone. They shoot.
Okay,
I get
skit.
edit always see the edit for me.
Okay.
We go see they shoot for me while they pay.
Okay.
But say for the money aspect, no they return.
Okay, meaning okay that's the area I'm driving at.
Yes.
What you are telling us where because if you now move Instagram or Facebook, na free app.
Yes.
So the thing not they pay, but not they kick back.
No.
So what you can they encourage you now to keep the game, to keep the the issue going. What you can they motivate you now? So okay, now can you are where better phone ya. So what inspire one why where me go?
To me, like I don't really know about the others. To me,
okay.
I just anything entertainment. I just feel like fun.
Okay.
All those my comedies. They use big money. They shoot sometimes. I feel you shoot like 20. I saw if they upload down. I know they see the money.
Okay.
Like this Nigeria as a whole self. This Nigeria already too stressful for people.
Okay.
People need more of what to go make them they laugh.
Laugh.
Everybody get their own drama. People depression they worry most people.
Okay.
So I just see skit as a way to communicate to people where they under depression. Like many people they call me. I appreciate my fans worldwide, even small pikin. They call me Sir Precious. Even if I dey vex before I watch your film, I dey always they laugh. Okay. So that alone, it must not be send your answer. Send
wire your answer. Now we dey tell people make them wire the answer.
Wire your answer.
Marone.
Wire your answer.
Understand?
No, those encouragement keep pushing. People are watching you. So people they wash am. Now when you come comot for those your comfort zone, come and people say, this girl.
Man, you are good.
I just.
But do you realize that most of, sorry to use this word, most times they said ekinami omase, agi omase, and now when we see men, actress these days, not just Benin, both Benin and Lagos actress, you know understand? Now they like makeup women. And you happens to be one of these same people. I don't say today obvious, but you see they do makeup. And most times, if you don't do the makeup, it can be like say me change you now from the real person you wanna be. So after you come out for your comfort zone, outside that makeup, and when you do that thing, if you need to wear villain, we might view the script. So when you wear, how they content they recognize you say this one I precious society.
That makeup of a thing, like I never sabi they do makeup. Oh. Okay. I know the makeup. This makeup now with my face, I paid for it.
Okay.
Because I was coming for this interview. I have to look good for my fans.
Yeah.
If they watch most of my films, mostly those epic films,
okay,
you'll see say I know they do makeup.
Okay.
So people they before they enter set they'll just draw powder. I know they draw powder.
Yeah.
If na village film, my long skirt they always cover my leg. That's why most of my fans they think say maybe I don't marry or I don't born.
Yeah.
But I'm single.
Okay. Wow.
So
that's what one.
I know all those package. If na village film, play village film. If na glamour, more do a glamour. Okay. So those my village, all those big shirts.
Okay.
Ime wasi leve de kyoka, a skirt in your wa yo top.
Where do kyoka?
He do kyoka, but he didn't want to do kyoka because la me bon.
Okay.
Every kyoka must so je ma set it gije mo ya selete ere. Awo yegbe ni.
Okay, no select awo yegbe duwe.
Teme o.
Okay. Okay, what you are telling us now where kyoka when are they outfit or who?
Yes, kyoka na we shopping. When money me fancy no get le like fancy so rob you have your go.
Yeah.
Me so kyoka na we shopping for now.
Where you want? Okay, all right, we go on a break. Trust me when I said we will be right back.
Like to last year, your obituary money go on.
Yeah, utalogbe. If I hear who here, utalogbe. What's the go ne?
Epa. Ni go na ho.
It's not here no.
2000.
Here.
Ojeme my star ni me unu gbe ba.
Aye who here.
Star ni amate vakpo mayo, yo bo me ga je nu gbe.
Yeah who here.
Ge maybe ya le wo be ye ko bo we ya chest ni ga gbo. Epa. Star na. Guy, it's time na ni me wu aba. 4,000 no ever. Ya wanna buy. Because straight to the woman and he 5K.
I'm going 500 naira.
What's your man? You know, yeah, when we are still on it, we are still on it. I don't know why I tell where Umalayo are heroic. I appreciate the fact that you are you are so down to earth. Woman, I believe the last time I checked, a few actresses will come here, more especially when it comes to women. So now most men go say, I beg go, now they are for the back lotto. But for you as a female, came before us and tell us whether not truth or whether not lie, but for you to even admit alone, I appreciate, you know, understand? And the entire house of Gorilla Multimedia Company, we appreciate as well. So we are still on it. So now, dear, and I believe on behalf of the people you made mention of, I believe you don't still supposed to remember the year when we say you came into the industry.
Yeah, I don't know the very day, but I know say na September 2016. Like it's been 4 years.
Yeah, 2016. What I have 2016.
2016.
Nadia.
Yes.
Who paid tax you?
Oh, you are still
a kindergarten. 2016 Nadia.
Yeah, that's like when I
say. Malaysia.
we were cut.
I don't dey go Malaysia before you even come.
Grace is not like my fans are pushing me, and I thank God. That's why I not fit still let them down. Now 2016 I enter industry September.
Just 2 years ago.
Yes, my first film.
3 years ago.
A Jumbo.
That was your first film. And directed by who?
Directed by Osaro Santos Uigwe.
And you played the role of?
I just played one scene. I was playing the wife of Igbine Weka.
So far, so good. If you are asked to declare the movie when we say they give you job, now that Jumbo or you get another film. When they go, you don't they go, you can't they tough.
Like so far, so good. All my movies they give me joy. Like, okay. All my music, all my films, why they do, they give me joy. Like if I watch them, they find beauty in them. So say to come they specify this one. All of them they go.
So okay, meanwhile, what you are telling us now, so you never still get favorite here?
I have a favorite, but it's not one.
Okay, then how many are we talking about here?
I have like two to three. Like I really like.
Okay, like I believe they should have a name.
The first one was it not Ohomo?
Ohomo, produced by who?
Ohomo, produced by Osaro Santos Uigwe.
Still the same man.
Produced by Osaro Santos Uigwe, because why I like the film, why I don't forget that film, because the role was very challenging.
Okay.
I play Igbinosun Greg wife.
Okay.
So the film was a girl pretending to always faint for 10,000 naira. Based on my dad, the way of our two planner based on say Greg get money for the film. So anytime I faint, my dad go come collect 10,000. Like I just faint continuously. I just faint.
Okay. You want faint now?
You know if you give me 10k now, how they
faint? I give you 10k, make you faint.
I faint now 10k. You go give my daddy. I faint.
No, you can't hear
No, the role was very challenging.
Okay, so that makes it one of the best. One of the best film one of the film you considered as the best one.
Yes, and Ayemie.
The dirty girl.
Ayemie, the dirty girl, where they dance. I was taking
and that one go
Olokun to the next level.
That one go viral.
Please try Zanku now. I don't like those.
So
sides.
was that your concept or the concept of the producer? I believe that was from Lady of Song.
Yeah.
So now she write the script say may you dance Zaku Shaku. I been you by yourself add that one. So okay, let me dance this.
No. That was my own idea.
Okay.
Even the name, because after the dance, you know when it over. A man they party need the like YouTube. Like the first of Vanika the Zlatan Ibile.
Okay.
So party. Party now on anywhere. Ina the baby pen too many to pack. Okay. At the end of the day, now no, that was not the idea of the producer. That was my very own idea. Okay. Like most of the time, even if Esther, as in Lady of Song, they watch this interview now, she'll tell you I always lost my script.
Yeah.
Now for me to just sit down for set, tell me say see what you want to, and just flow with it.
Okay.
I know they too use scripts.
Okay.
Maybe not because we're there for
okay,
carrying.
But do you also realize the fact that creativity is good, yeah. But sometimes if you don't go well with some producers, it's like you are diverting their script. While there are some producers there are some producers who wants you as a character to deliver exactly what they write. So if you can't meet that kind of script, or person can't tender that kind of script before on your table, so how you take comprehend?
That one way you talk now truth, but I never really meet that kind of producer. Like since I done the work for Benin industry, anything where I just do, they always even not be say because say that they watch am for YouTube first. Okay. Even people where they shoot on like the cameraman or just they laugh. So okay. The producer they always they contented with it. Wait I did.
When you drop.
Yes.
So outside all the producers when you don't work with, I believe you will still get this producer when we say he never call you. Outside those people when you still want to work with, but it's either he never get your kind of script, or when the time comes, he will definitely call you, and discuss business with you. I wonder who that producer will be.
That question.
Or Bagbori, You did somehow.
No. That's personal. Like,
Okay, you never.
I no one can mention name at the end of the day. The producer can say, you know, see, Precious going to mention a name for interview. That they call like not come or this one, that one, they want to no. Like the Benin industry, like most of the producers, I've worked with them. The one where I never work with go direct me for another person film.
Okay.
Now see the same working now, right?
Okay.
So either as a producer or as a director. So go see they there.
All right. But still on it, I believe you should have a favorite.
Favorite.
Oh man, we
like a role model
somebody,
or
yeah,
a producer.
We're talking
like,
about no, we're not talking. You are not a producer.
Yeah, no.
At
all.
So we are talking about. Afa, okay, Mario no, we are with him. Are you ready to pay the price?
Price? Which price?
Price. When we meet price, we meet price.
Which price? Tell my fans now, make them know. Maybe some of my fans.
Okay, whatever we ask you to do is what you will do.
I don't understand that kind of price.
No, from what you said what a with him. Meaning you have a script already.
Yeah.
So right now, if we decide to say, okay, right now, let's more shoulder this matter. Are you ready to pay the price?
Who is shouldering it?
The House of Gorilla Multimedia Company.
Depends on the price. Not be all price that they feed the shares to. It's all a boom, you know.
Okay.
So don't tell me. If I'm okay with it, then I go with it. If I'm not okay.
Are you sure you never receive money to produce film, or you are so occupied with every other person production? You know, where is that what is going down here?
No, I don't have the money. Like, I dey do films. Like, I have fans. Many people they call me. Many people they message me. I don't say fans not they help me or they not they support me. Most not just I like your film. You feel even say maybe you dey in need of money. You feel just ask them to say a big girl like you.
Yeah.
All those one are packaging inside life. So no they believe say we actress we dey broke or we not get money.
Yeah.
They just they look beneath him like one kind big industry.
Okay.
So deep down they know say money not dey this industry, but the one just use and find your math. Okay. Some go even they ask you say how much they pay you. I like your film. Now they always they get from some. Okay. Like many Nollywood actresses, I they see them their birthday fans they surprise them.
Yeah.
But even as for me, I'm talking about my own. I don't fit talk for person because I don't know what they feel and I don't know what they do. Okay. Even for birthday, you even write your number for Facebook say, in case you want to wish me well, call this very number. Facebook will be say you don't already reach your limit of 5,000 friends. When I say 5,000, I mean 5,000 you married. You know, see one person will go call you wish you happy birthday.
Wait.
Is that for real?
When you said when you said 5,000 friends, and you later said something 5,000 you married.
No, you married. No one for I don't have
Okay. Then at the end of everything,
yes,
they know the deliver.
So you go even upload picture like they
for me they follow I they with you on Facebook.
Yes.
You don't understand. But I see comments, I see like
1,000
like 500 comments, I see like 300 shares, you know understand?
Yes.
So now you they stand before us now they tell me say my fans don't they support you.
Fans
so what kind of support are you talking about?
No, you don't understand. Like, okay. Most fans they call saying I like your film.
Okay.
They say me and Negwali your boy
yeah.
If you just get fans well now they talk for like 3 months, a year, okay. You just see they in need of something. You just like when my mom do a photo shoot, I want to buy something for Ted. My phone for is I got her.
Yeah.
And my phone for is I got her. So I not come there online for some time. As I come online, people they say they send me message. I know they reply messages. I was like, Mona no verse. My phone for forgot her. Oh, no, they find me to buy phone. Hey, you big girl like you. You say they no. Where shall? Thank God for everything. Like no, nothing much. My fans are supportive. Like on YouTube, before they put my film for YouTube. Like most people don't just go if you are here for Precious, gather here for Coke. I also buy the Coke for Nashaw. So people just go there, go there like people I don't even know. So maybe always just back to back, and I dey see other actress. Everybody needs support. Benin industry as a whole needs support.
Okay.
Many of our fans get money to take shares industry. Say, "Mona take this money, take do film." I don't just know why they not just.
They know the support. When if you get a backbone, if you ask me now, who I go ask?
That's true.
Do you realize that everybody needs support?
Yes.
Even people you see that maybe one way or the other they are topping the game, they as well they need support. So most times, why is it that, sorry to use this word and sorry to say this, you know, understand? Why is it that most of us when be actors or actress or entertainers, or most of us when we say we dey Nigeria, we always, okay, when you say you need support, first of all, are you talking about the people here or people living in diaspora?
Yeah, but most of our based on say Benin movies, they not get publicity.
Okay.
Apart from YouTube.
Okay.
Now YouTube they for real know us.
Okay.
That's to say people wey dey abroad now they always dey watch our film.
Okay. Meaning automatically, if we are seeking for support, it's from that angle.
That's where our fans are.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
yeah. Not be
So
say by
now-
money.
Okay.
So get connections to link Benin actress to Asaba. Say go there, I get person there. It's not all about the money.
Okay, because why I'm
Yes.
saying this is yeah, and at the same time so we talking about we telling these people most times we always talk about help even on this platform on Facebook live video everywhere. Why we no reason and say these same people say they still need help?
Yes.
So why we ourselves still think say those people why we not put ourselves in the shoes say me those people will still help them? So why we not they think as well as our fan as well how we go take help them instead of them helping us?
Yeah, like the one wey me talk now.
Okay.
Now fan we go say hello, what's up? I like your movie. Now call fan.
Okay.
I get many wey go say if you need anything just message me.
Okay.
At the end of the day wey you need them, you no see them.
Okay.
Everybody needs support. Don't get me no wegbe.
Okay.
I mean I never popo wa. I mean I never no man need go.
Okay.
I may go bego.
Okay.
That's just it.
Okay.
So most of them they say if you want anything, just inbox me. But at the end of the day,
You go impose them.
it go come be time where you really need them.
They're not go there for you.
They'll come say you be madam now, you na big girl now. You be new actress. When they see your update, oh no, I'll naked snap for Facebook because I not feel backlog. That first. Yes, now it's not fair. It's not fair.
Okay, now, still we are still on that same circle. You know understand? Trying to pay you back with your coin. You know understand? So Emma okay now, wagwali yobo. Man. Uwe ineya. Iyana itama wewe irierera. Umaye neya.
So they tell you they didn't block you.
Serious? Man, that one I'm less down, you know.
That's the fact. Like,
And meanwhile, even from the beginning, how be you tell her say I need help and she go by
you know
herself?
what time we like it for me well, and those people, well, it's okay.
Hello lovers, may not
Press Oligbe said the Power Master Commission for Boy. Gorilla TV.
Gorilla TV is the best.
Gorilla TV.
Gorilla TV.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
Still on it, still on this same platform, still with our precious Usayande. Our mother Giaza, Tahian Giaza. You when you're sorry to say, Uriye Agbekwa, where you just call person. Here where you call Magwan or backbone, yo. You when you just wake up one morning, if you admire person film, tell us say I admire your film. Thanks. Here woman walk back or when I mean me. No be say you just wake up one morning, you woke up one morning and said, okay, right now, wagwa le mi need. Then no man nigga you need me. On a call you were due to a menuta. Udu atama where riwa ya blah blah blah. Some of you know now come block. Man, you want to see me here. That's not right. You understand? So you we have yeah. On a platform you understand? I think Maria man we don't see result, but I want him one. Elbow why you I wow imine I swear for only work can only go. So dear. Still on that area of your creativity. You did the thing. And 70% of people now see me. You now did lady or song. Entertainment. But lady or song forum. I will wanna pay I win a block.
Oh, block, see your man.
I win a block. I win a 700,000.
If you anyway.
But right now you are mostly there.
Yeah.
You did there, day and night. You work with them. So what's your experience? How you feel working with them? And right now they bring people outside here to come. They merge with you now. They work together. So
as for that Lady of Songs TV, I be full-time member of Lady of Songs
you register?
TV. It's not into registration.
Okay, just
yes, just use you.
Okay, they want
you.
They like you. They
yes.
fancy you.
I'm a star. Not the I'm star back be. Emi na did you.
Or they yeah.
Like people must see it. First time name Lele winner. Brasar over the Emi Adeva Saro Santos.
Okay, you work your star.
Yes. Okay, or directly ne need the gunner the Emi here. From there. Again now ya so always any film no really be never set a play where he play well. You know why people they always anywhere where they always people they always say Emma Iweje, and because the industry Benin industry Brasaro why they with Brasaro once everybody else say aside that movie Iweje.
Yeah.
So why see they with Lady of Songs they can't say Lady of Songs or Iweje.
Okay.
So because we they work. People they see people wey don already carry you for men say they go help you with everything. Any small thing will do they put am for Facebook. Yeah. Everybody they see
yeah, so
already turn where yet here that way again. I mean really what must to yeah. So that kind of people must know say you don't they work. My very own say 7 no push on my industry. What are we saying? What are we saying?
Okay, so, meanwhile right now. Aware Malala you are like I be saying Aroiku. And now I can hype me no budo. Now what could you my yobo still in the game, still on the circle, still in my hood. So now the industry you don't day. You've come to stay. So what will be the flaws when we say you experience about this industry? Because any industry you know if you go no matter. Yeah, why your worker can lie. No, we are talking about on your own. You don't understand personally. So now, while you're well, was your question again. You understand? Everywhere gossip here and there. No matter where, so why we want precious who are quiet any level. No, you are you understand? So you as a person, what you don't experience about the flaws in the industry and what you believe say go be the antidote. 2 questions at the same time. You answer them individually. Waiting be the flaws one and waiting go be the antidote, which is the solution. As a celebrity, as somebody when be say, man, you've been in the game for some time now. It's more experience where you don't get for the game. So how you check out?
According to me, that gossip you really talk about now something I never really experienced.
Can I tell you egbe?
Now something I never really experienced. Una tell you my back here, not tell you egbe.
Okay.
That's for me. Okay. Una no what tell you my egbe. Definitely the circle where you dey. Wa no get for be akpa be so where. Because we know one but to book where they give you back by because that one on a work. Okay. As for the gossip of a thing and all those bad bets and stuff, it never really happened to me. The only thing I just say be the flaws for this industry, not be support.
Okay, support.
Benin industry will lack support. Like, just see, I just new enter industry. But the way people sit there, they call me, the way my work, where I sit there, they see my work, they go. If maybe now Sabbath, they I know where I'll go.
Well, you don't
but because of say no support and people wey even know people yan wey no wan gbon they no dey value their thing.
Yeah.
I know most of our girls wey go just say because say they follow me for Instagram they'll just message me, madam go and follow me back oh, I followed you. Like no hello, no hi.
Can you imagine?
Because say Regina get like 4.8 million followers and she dey follow not up to 800.
Okay.
Not
so you follow me, you say I must follow you?
People wey dey follow Regina, even most of Benin people, she no even dey read their message, they don't care.
Yeah.
But you will be your own, you will be our own.
Yeah.
Wey go push us.
Yeah.
Some say because say you don just start to dey have film, come dey form. Some of our brother just call you for video call like 3 times, you know, because of wa robiera. Yeah, wait, be say no be you subscribe for me, I won't try it. I no do one. I was on here but no. Person just they call you, you know they pick. They say, what are you calling me for? If say maybe I not pick for Facebook, try my account. Maybe my account will go.
Yeah.
Yes, a number my reachable account always reachable. My brother, because the whole thing they just it get it be.
Okay.
Support now what we really need for the industry. Support like what if we get Benin Magic? Go see Yoruba.
Okay.
Yoruba films, they go.
Okay.
Igbo they go.
Okay.
Normal. Small children they just fly for the industry because they feel they popularize themselves. Yeah. If you get wetin they carry you, they go far. People they know you.
Yeah.
And when I get YouTube or here very precious. Benin Magic is okay. Or when you maybe where wamigo nu waya we.
Yeah.
Or why you ever matter be my way film yeva. Never be ya okay.
Okay.
It be a case on the web on in your waiting at Edo school, even we're doing at Edo classes.
Yeah.
But over now the channel if you donor. Or we can get female do. What is the donor?
Yes now. And
you must not carry go school.
Yeah.
You must not carry the picking go school. Almost to end donor no get ever of ya emma. Where Ovie do wo ha rock away bore. Or like better many pressure so you did the Regina. Where?
Can you imagine the
no, it's not called for. Oh yeah, the Regina. Or when a degboije, when a degboije I say oh, or maybe the boy industry na say it level never upgrade. The boy where they hear voice for everywhere. Or what I do like berani. Oh yeah, the petodoshe. No na.
You gonna be benesi.
Orezo ogigbina no be force.
Okay.
I take gbon mi o mi no gu e.
Yeah.
Iyan we ma no name your boy stand say me ya. Who know say it fit help us, may help like we really need the help. Like we need them bastardly. All those YouTube this thing what you still they do. YouTube you know now they put na job for YouTube na. YouTube me no re no man. But those ones make people still dey see am, people still know us. Imagine say we dey Benin like this. Emi and soon the government as a Benin bad with our film. TV inya we for nenya hiya Ghana. Or maybe tinha equal man on here protest, vinya ga campaign. Adotie man ya te Benin film. Elegbo ane inya illicit na iji mare. Na that one we can't do. You know they work. I actually do na me mom you
So
no,
okay,
doesn't work
precious.
like that.
In we normally. Okay, now we here turn or even I'm here working where you call West.
Hey, tell me.
So are you telling me where now? When okay, no okay, yeah, where even at Mawu, are you thinking of how to quit or how to back up?
Like when na okwehin I began before I go cross menopause.
Okay.
I tell you me odo film. Imam not toasty me. Most guys they say make the husband just get money, they don't they okay.
Okay.
As for me, what if me be the rich wife? I know say me my husband not get money oh.
Okay.
So I see the war. You know the story now.
Okay.
You know the story now. Don't tell me man. No hear me your boy no man. No hear ya girl man here. Cause the way the social media stuff they be now, the thing can't just change to another thing.
Will we go on a break? Trust me when I said we are going nowhere. In 2 seconds, we will be right
back.
Wage when you see no here, and you see netogi. Wonu mwe business we latia adie Gorilla TV. Aya wewe ahin. Iye mwe fake news ni oma. Hey, iye gito. Iye ye mo gbagbo fi e. Ori yona won kwado. I support Gorilla TV. My fans always link to Gorilla TV on your YouTube.
With Precious Osanya there, one of when I mean a versatile actress here in Edo State, she get what she want offer. she too try. Not because say she dey here. Here where omo agbese. Onyeme say me boy. So she don't try, she don't make waves, she don't do everything where we say. Even me personally, if I dey watch, Precious on screen, but I just dey get that joy. You don't understand?
Like to last year, your obituary money go on.
Yeah, utalogbe. If I hear who here, utalogbe. What's the go ne?
Epa. Ni go na.
You got here no.
2000.
Here.
Ojeme my star ni me unu gbeba.
Aye who here.
Star ni amate vakpo mayo, yo bo me ga je nu we.
Yeah who here.
Ge me be ya re wo be ye ko bo we ya chest ni ga gbo. Epa. Star na. Guy, it's time na ni me wu aba. 4,000 no ever. Ya wanna buy it. Because straight to the woman and he 5K.
I'm going to 500 naira.
So dear, and I believe where suppose you know how mentor. Role model.
Role model.
Yes, somebody when be say it be like saying that she inspired you. For Benin before now. Yes, I know Ebona Yana Zekendolo. We are not talking about Lagos. Benin here. So now, who be that mentor when be say man, no wa pump very okay. When this person you want be like, and you they like the way she they deliver a role.
For the industry, like I really love somebody like.
Okay.
I'll be at stage of a role model and like I love her so much. I look up to her for everything. She's just like my elder sister,
okay,
my advisor.
Okay.
Precious. Keep calm. Ekenurie, area of that.
Okay.
So she's my role model. She's my godmother.
Okay.
She's my elder sister. Like she's just everything in all.
Okay.
And that's
why you can't do face?
Frances Osunde Okunboa. Anywhere you are, I love you. Like she's a like when I'm counting my blessings, I count her twice. It was nice knowing you. She not get time.
Okay.
And I love this thing where they talk now. Even when she see her now, she go shock.
Yeah, because you never make her understand before. Say me, you they admire her.
But that's true. That's true. If me have a new guava, no way give me wagu me. I not even have got daughter. Cause me lacking yegbe.
Okay, but meanwhile, before now, you and I get one-on-one rapport.
We they see for location before she travel.
Okay, but meanwhile, but you and I know you get that one-on-one relationship yet.
No, we not the say with the power. No. Okay. Just see for location. We just see her to come. Everybody go house.
Francis,
finish. Hey, poor sister.
You know, okay.
Who mommy says no?
You say
Mama Egosa.
Only what? Who wear Mama Egosa? But when mommy, she's now a married woman.
Yes, now.
But Francis, I say no be many.
Why not?
Oh, Francis, say no be many.
Why not?
Be me. Right now, Precious Osanyan there just gave a kudos to your name, and I want your married woman. You know, and don't win now. No mommy no you better. Don't win any. You hear me? You don't understand. So right now, for Precious to sit here on the platform, they give kudos to your name. I believe that should be a plus to your name. So if you never get Precious before now, if you never get a contact, locate them. May you appreciate them. Say man, don't worry. Na mudiane, your boy. And you will always take her as your goddaughter as well.
Just keep being you.
So just go and do it. Keep being you, keep supporting Precious Osanya there. But before I am back, I will go on a break. Trust me when I said I will be right
back.
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create funniest times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081 79 091-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
In work when I'm Tasi. I wonder what your advice would be for the upcomers, people when you don't start before. And yeah, we will call even people when don't pass you. So what thing would be your advice for them?
Like people who already pass me, I don't get advice for them.
No, you still get advice for them. Then make me
I get message for them.
Okay.
I get message for them. Like,
okay.
I want to thank all of them. The way they take carry me as their younger sister.
Okay.
Iyamaye mi rokpa ya wiyeme. Iyamaye ko ya wiyeme. Iyamawa na hin. Vakeri onare. They take me as their own. Okay. Like they allow me to flow with them.
Okay. And
as for the upcomers, we see they say I come industry because they look this girl or their sisters they abroad go industry so girl like Precious. I want me the art film like I want really thank all of you now. Like you guys won't be disappointed. Upcomers, Mona just they try.
Okay.
You know if you see meet me for location because you be upcomer, you can't ask me say I beg this be me I don't understand and tell me. Instead if they say where are you rudan or maybe I give MMA.
Okay.
So the upcomers, you guys just keep going. Definitely. Yeah, doctor maybe so now. So no.
All right, my people. When I mean my people, I mean the people of Edo State. Still right here on the platform. The citizen call me the prodigal son. Don't forget, still with your person. Right here on seat before now. You don't understand? You work when I move. You understand? Your personal person. Confidence. F. Anya, you're the citizen. But if you like, call me the prodigal son. Omagwegbe. So till we meet again, don't go anywhere. You are going to expect Precious again on the platform, and based on my boss, understand when they always a day behind the camera, Ken Odao, the CEO of KD Film. They regulate everything. They regulate every fucking thing in seconds. Understand? I believe this one a person will be saying me, even you yourself you want to associate with. Till we catch you again, don't go anywhere.